Hey boys and girls, today we're going to learn how to use scissors. Inside your toolbox that I dropped off to you, you should find a pair of scissors. And if you look at them, there's a small hole and then a large hole. If you take your thumb, it goes in the small hole, and all your other fingers go in the bottom hole. And the way you use your scissors is you open and shut them, open and shut them. And your thumb always stays to the top. And there's a song that we sing while we cut. Keep your thumb up, keep your thumb up when you cut, when you cut. Snip, snip with scissors, snip, snip with scissors. I can cut, I can cut. So you can sing that tune as you're cutting. Today, one of the activities you're going to do for your journal is to cut out letters that go to your first name. So in my case, my name is Miss Andrea, and my letter of my name, Andrea, is the letter good, letter A. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first put this down so you can see. I'm going to hold the paper with one hand, and in my other hand, I have my thumb up. It's in the small hole. All my other little fingers are in the bottom hole. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up and I'm going to line up right next to that line. And I am just going to snip. I'm going to open again and snip. Oh, I don't want to cut my finger. So I am going to move my finger down, my holding hand. That's my helping hand. I never want to get that in the way of the scissors because I could get a big boo-boo. Okay? And open, line up, and snip, and snip, and snip. See how I'm opening and lining up and snipping? Opening and lining up and snipping. And then you can do all of the colors that I gave you. I think I gave you 2 or 3 colors of your letters. So I'm going to open and line up and snip, snip, and snip. Oop, I didn't get all the way through that time, so I'm going to open up and I'm going to snip it off again. And snip. Is it okay sometimes if you go sideways? Sometimes that happens. It's okay. So I'm just going to get back online. Follow that road and snip. So I am all done cutting all of my letters for my name. So I'm going to take my scissors off of my hand and I'm going to lay them on the table. And the next thing you're going to do is to get your glue stick. And I'm going to give it a twist just so I have that much glue sticking up. I don't want to have all of it up because then the glue will fall out. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a blank page in my journal and I'm just going to give a little rub-a-dub-dub on my letter and I'm going to stick it to my page. All those letters, all my A's are going to be all over my page. I might put them upside down. I might put them sideways. I might make a design. I might make a row of A's. A tower. See how many A's I can make. A big row. Then we can count them. Okay. Okay. Or maybe what I can do is to make the letter A out of my A's. You can do whatever you want. Make sure you glue them down really good. And if you notice, boys and girls, I am not rubbing on the paper. I am rubbing on each little piece of squares that I cut, all my letters. Okay? And then when you're all done, you should have a page full of your letters. And that'll show me that you're able to snip with scissors. This can be a really super duper fun activity, snipping paper. Or you might have the grocery store ad from the Sunday paper. You can take that and even cut out pictures of your favorite food, your favorite snacks, or maybe some fruits and vegetables that you like to eat, and make a collage in your journal. There I have it. I'm going to press it all down, and then there's my page of A's. I hope you have fun using your scissors very carefully and cutting your letters out and gluing them to your page. Have fun, boys and girls. I can't wait to see your letters. See you soon.